guys, so this is a quick little tutorial on how I did my very first skunk. I guess that's what you call it, the skunk look, or Billy, I don't know, whatever that little trend is going on with the little stripe. I'm attempting that today in this tutorial. What happened was I had colored this unit black, and it was just boring to me, and so I wanted to add the skunk. I should have probably removed the black dye from the hair and all that, but I really didn't feel like it. I just wanted to see what I could do by using BW bleaching powder and 40 volume developer. So I'm just going in there, and I sectioned off the hair, and I'm putting bleach on all the hair. I started with like the outline, and now I'm just going in piece by piece and just slapping on the bleach to help it lift some, and whatever it can get to, then we'll work with that. Just working with what we got. Sometimes you just gotta work with what you have. So that's what I'm doing in this clip, and then I'll come back in the second clip. So I let it sit about 30 minutes or so, and I got this color. You see it's kind of spotty a little bit. That's okay. I'm going with this Kiss Tintation Cajun spice color, hair color. I like this color. It's pretty. I've done a couple units using this color, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm looking for my spoolie, so I can get the roots and get the roots, so I can slap the color on. The roots got white, looks like, pretty blonde, but it'll work. And just go ahead and add that color to it. You can add, permanent color, semi-permanent. Do what makes you feel happy. Do whatever look you're going for. This is just how I did, this particular look. I like, and that's what I had in my closet too. I had just this color and a paprika color. So, just use what you got. And I just felt creative. I was like, the creative juices was flowing. I'm like, you know what? I want to spice this wig up. So I just, like I said, wanted to do the skunk look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the color to it and let it sit probably for about, I think I let the color sit for about an hour, and I'll come back once it's rinsed out. I rinsed it out in cool water, as you should do any color. Rinse it out in cool water, unless like the instructions specifically say to rinse it out in warm water. So yeah, I just rinse it out in cool water. I'm doing that because I didn't want the color to touch the other hair, the black hair. So I'm just separating, and that's kind of what I had nearby. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and color this little piece here, and then we'll come back once we're done. So we are done. I love this color, you guys. I love it. I love it. It is so pretty to me. I loved it. So this is the outcome of it. Just some little side baby hair. It's a frontal, so just little baby hairs and tweeze the part and put some curls in it, and we are done. And so yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and God bless. And oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.